Stripysteak here.
And Red Pig Studios.
We're going to be sledding down Nick's grandparents' driveway. Let's do this.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do it your way. I'm gonna go field.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Get set. Go! What are you throwing snowballs at me for?
Because it's your fault.
No, it's not. Alright, stripysteak versus tommytomcraft in a race. Alright, go ahead. Stripysteak is going in the lead. And then he wiped out and died.
What are you?
I'm 100 something.
Are you recording?
Yeah, no. Jump on him, dude! What are you doing?
Well,
We're going up to my grandma's store.
is she gonna answer?
Yeah, is she gonna answer? No, I don't know. She's coming, she's coming. Okay, she's coming, she's coming.
Whoa.
Hi, Grandma. All we want to say is we love you, thank you, and bye.
Yeah.